Here we go again. You can see them all in the water. And their flight time arrived. Yes, my friends. Yesterday I was above the water and there were 6 white swans between those beauty. See? Wow, wow, wow. If you don't like it, too bad for you. Because there's still open water on the reservoir, and soon it's all gonna be gone because it'll be ice. Yeah, you can hear some more coming on the right. And here we go, you have to be fast. And on my right side, there's a big troop coming. Nice. Opa, 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 opa. Quite a bit. I think not too many left after it. I love it. So lovely. Ooh. Now there is plenty of them all together. Here the sunset show reflection. Oh, such a beautiful late afternoon. Wow. Yeah, this is above flight coming down. This is our lovely sunset on our left side. Not much left on the water, on the ice. Yeah, it's icy there. You can hear them in the background. What a lovely atmosphere they make. Thank you for coming, Aronnelife.